Nice to meet you. My name is Ensa Zhang. I'm 9 years old. I'll talk about living in space. Living in space. Congratulations, Junho, on becoming a crew member of the Arirang. Thank you, Captain. I'm very excited but a little nervous. I fully understand how you feel. I hope that you have a great experience living in space. Okay, all aboard. It is a launching day for the Space Shuttle Arirang. Juno and the other astronauts go into the cabin. The pressure will push hard when we lift off. Don't worry about it, it's normal. Okay, now for the countdown. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Wow, here we go. On the way into outer space, the shuttle releases its 3 big fuel tanks into the Pacific Ocean. They will return to be retrieved for reuse on future shuttle flights. Junho, here you are. We can fasten our seatbelts. Wow, I'm floating, what fun! Ouch, I hit the ceiling. Be careful, are you a good swimmer? Yes, why? Walking on witnesses is like swimming underwater. Back on Earth, we practiced walking underwater. Captain, I was so nervous this morning I skipped breakfast. Can I have a snack? Sure, which would you like? Could I have any cookies? I'd love a couple of cookies. We can bring most kinds of food onto the shuttle, but we don't bring crumbly foods like cookies. Why? Imagine little crumbs are floating around in the shuttle. It would be like being in a restaurant all the time. Then, what can we eat? Sticky foods are the best. Then, can I have a hamburger or a pizza? Sure, which would you like? Could I have any pizza, please? A crew member brings John a pizza. Here you are. How can this be a pizza? It is a rock. That's because it had all of the water removed. Before going into space, most food had to be dehydrated. Why? Take up way less and take up less room. But it's too hard to chew. Right, so before eating it, we add hot water to soften dehydrated food. We can add hot water for hot food, but there's no refrigerator on the shuttle, so there are no cold drinks. It tastes better than I expected. Meanwhile, the other crew members are repairing the satellite in orbit. Juno looks down at the Earth. Fantastic! I realized how beautiful and blue the Earth is. It was more beautiful and blue 20 or 30 years ago. Really? What happened? Pollution is ruining it. I guess if we're not careful, the Earth will lose more of its food than its beauty. Juno watches 2 crew members connecting a module to the main structure to fly to International Space Station. A few minutes later, he goes back to the cabin. Captain, where can I take a shower? You can take in outer space. You have to wash by hand. In Wiggins, water sticks to the body, so it's very easy to wash up. We use 2 sponges. One is to use soap up and the other is to use rinse off. Here are 2 sponges for you. Thank you. Juno watches. Juno is tired. He yawns. I feel tired. Where can I sleep? In a sleeping bag. It's strapped to a broom to keep you from floating in your sleep. I imagine it kind of uncomfortable to sleep like that. You can sleep standing up, upside down, or even in the air if you like. That's funny. Okay, it's time to go to bed. We're going back to Earth tomorrow. Good night. Good night. The next morning, everyone is seated in position to return to the Earth. Robot re-enter to the atmosphere. It's awfully hot in here. It's okay. When the shuttle through the air, it creates friction. The friction makes the temperature outside the shuttle go up to 1,200 degrees Celsius. But the shuttle is standard temperature. Oh, I'm so hot. Junho, wake up. You're sleeping too close to here. Oh, wow, I dreamed it. Anyway, it was a fantastic space trip. Thank you very much.
큰 박수 쳐주시기 바랍니다.